DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a beautiful boho mirror with dollar store items and unicorn spit. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a boho mirror. Dollar store items can be used to make beautiful things for your home. So save some money and get decorating. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.